Okay, let's go to problem number 5. Spotlight refraction. A spotlight beam enters a glass lens at an angle of 35 degrees. The refractive index of air is 1.0 and the refractive index of glass is 1.5. Find the angle of refraction inside the glass. So given theta 1 is 35 degrees centigrade and 1 is 1.0 and 2 is 1.5, required the refracted angle theta 2. And using the formula n1 sine theta 1 is equals to n2 sine theta 2, we can obtain sine theta 2 to be n1 over n2 sine 35 degrees. And calculating the value of sine 35 degrees, that's approximately equal to 0.3824. And finally, obtaining the arc sine of that value, we can get the refractive angle theta 2, which is approximately equal to 22.5 degrees. Number 6, resonance in a guitar string. A guitar string is 0.65 meter long and the speed of waves on the string is 180 meters per second. Calculate the fundamental frequency of the string. So we are given the string length L equal to 0.65 meter. The wave speed on the string V is equal to 180 meters per second and required the fundamental frequency. And use the formula F1 is equals to B over 2L. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 138.5 Hertz. Number 7, loudspeaker power spread. A loudspeaker delivers 50 watts of sound power uniformly in all directions. Find the sound intensity at a distance of 5 meters from the speaker. So given P is 50 watts, distance R is 5 meters, and speaker radiates uniformly. And then the required is intensity I at R. So solution is I is equals to P times 4 times pi r squared. Substitute now the given data. The final answer is 0.59 watt per meter squared. We have a sphere, that's why we use the pi r squared. And then number 8, color mixing in a slideshow. 3-stage lights. Red, the wavelength is 700 nanometers. Green, the lambda is 530 nanometer. And blue, 470 nanometer, are combined to produce white light. Calculate the energy of a photon for each color. So we're given H is 6.626 times 10 raised to negative 34 joule second. So the wavelength of the red light is 700 nanometer. The wavelength of the green light is 530 nanometers. And the wavelength of the blue lights is 470 nanometer. So we are asked to obtain the E for each photon. So use the formula E is equals to Hc over lambda. And then substitute all the given data. We can obtain the energy for the red to be 2.84 times 10 raised to the 10 joules. 19 joules. And then for the green, it's 3.75 times 10 to the 9. And for the blue light, the the energy is 4.23 times 10 to the 19 joules. Number 9, movie chatter echo delay. In a cinema hall, a sound wave reflects from the back wall and the echo is heard zero point 0.4 seconds later. If the speed of sound is 343 meters per second, find the distance from the listener to the wall. So we're given the echo delay round trip of time of zero point 0.4 seconds. Speed is 343 seconds. Required distance from the listener to the wall D. So solution, the round trip distance Vt, one way, distance D is equals to V over T all over 2. Substitute now the given data. The answer is 68.6 meters. Number 10, LED screen frequency. An LED screen emits blue light with a wavelength of 450 nanometers. Determine the frequency of this light wave. So we're given lambda is 450 nanometer. And that is equivalent to 450 times 10 raised to negative 9 meter. And we know that the speed of light that is constant is 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. So we are asked to solve for frequency f. So use the formula f is equals to c over lambda. Substitute the given data and you will be getting a value of 6.667 times 10 to the 14 hertz. MCQ for lesson 61, understanding the properties of light and sound waves related to entertainment. Number 1, which property of sound waves determine the pitch of a musical note? Letter A, amplitude. Letter B, frequency. Letter C, wavelength. Letter D, intensity. Number 2, in a concert hall, the speed of sound is 343 meters per second. If a note has a frequency of 440 hertz and what is its wavelength? Letter A, 0.78 meter. B, 1.29 meter. Letter C, 1.5 meter. Letter D, 0.65 meter. Number 3, a laser light show uses green light with a wavelength of 530 nanometers. Which equation can be used to find the energy of one photon? E is equals to mc squared. Letter B, HF. Letter C, V is equals to F times wavelength. And letter D, P is equals to BI. Number 3, which phenomenon explains why stage lights bend when passing through a glass lens? Letter A, reflection. Letter B, refraction. Letter C, diffraction. D, interference. Number 5, in a surround sound system, speakers are placed in different locations to create a sense of space. This effect is mainly due to A, polarization of sound. Letter B, interference of sound waves. Letter C, reflection of light. Letter D, refraction of sound waves. Number 6, what is the unit of sound intensity level commonly used in entertainment settings? Letter A, Newton. Letter B, watt. Letter C, decibel. Letter D, hertz. Number 7, the Doppler effect in racing games is simulated by letter A, changing the amplitude of the sound, changing the frequency of the sound as the source moves, letter C, changing the wavelength of light, letter D, changing the speed of sound. Number 8. Which property of light allows LED screens to produce different colors? Letter A, wavelength. Letter B, amplitude. Letter C, reflection. Letter D, refraction. Number 9. If a loudspeaker delivers 100 watt of power uniformly in all directions, what happens to the sound intensity when you move twice as far from it? Letter A, it doubles. B, it halves. C, it becomes one-fourth. Letter D, it stays the same. Number 10. A movie theater is designed with material that absorbs sound to reduce echoes. This process is called A, refraction, B, soundproofing, C, absorption, D, reverberation. Number 11. The fundamental frequency of a guitar string depends on A, length, tension, and mass per unit length. B, temperature and air pressure. Letter C, light wavelength, and speed. Letter D, type of wood used in the guitar. Number 13. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately A, 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. Letter B, 1.5 times 10 cube meters per second. Letter C, 3.4 times 10 squared meters per second. Letter D, 3.0 times 10 to the fifth meters per second. Number 14. In a live concert, the deep bass sound corresponds to sound waves with A, high frequency and short wavelength, B, low frequency and long wavelength, C, high amplitude and short wavelength, low amplitude and long wavelength. Number 15. Which of the following is not an application of light waves in entertainment? Letter A, laser light shows. Letter B, LED lights, LED displays. Letter C, surround sound systems. Letter D, projection mapping. And the answer key for lesson number 61, please proceed to lesson 62. And the answer key for lesson 60, understanding the properties of light and sound waves related to medicine, is as follows. From number 1 to number 8. And then from number 9 to number 15, those are the answers. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.